A nice tool to have is the HTML and CSS validation service. These can be helpful in situations where you need to confirm if there is an issue with your code. Unlike some programming languages, HTML and CSS might not specifically tell you what error is in your code. Your code might actually run fine, but differently than what you intended. The CSS validation service is a website that allows you to check your CSS code for errors and potential issues. To use the CSS validation service, simply go to the website jigsaw.w3.org/CSS Validator. Now, in the website, you can enter the URI of the web page you want to validate. Or, as a developer, you can upload your CSS file. Once you enter your information, you can click the check button. The service will analyze your code and report any errors or warnings it found. The report will include the line number and a brief description of the issue. Now, this makes it easy to identify and fix problems. Or for a quick and easy one, you could just paste your CSS code and validate it. So that's quite fast. We also have the markup validation service. Now, it's similar to the CSS Validator. The difference is, while CSS Validator validates CSS, this website allows you to check the syntax of your HTML code for errors and potential issues. To use the markup validation service, go to the website validator.w3.org.